again. Today we're going to have a look at CudaText. It's not a new program, been around, but it's just had an update, and we haven't talked about it before. Now it looks like quite a major text editor, more on the coding side than on general purpose, I think. And interesting thing, it was not written in C++, it's written in Pascal, in Object Pascal. So they probably used Free Pascal to compile it. And one thing I've noticed about Free Pascal programs is sometimes there's a bit of a lag on the menus. I think I ran this on a virtual machine and it's got that virtual machine slowness to it, so we're going to run this a little bit sped up, just to get on with it. So keep that in mind. Things like menus can take a second to show up. Okay, enjoy.